Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to give you the solutions for third week assignment of the Joy of Computing using Python course. So please watch the video till the end without skipping. If I make any changes in between the video, you can note those changes if you watch the video full length. So friends, if you have any doubts, please put them in the comment section, so I'll try to reply to those valid questions, and I hope all these questions are correct. If you feel anything incorrect, please message me in the comment section. So let's go to the video. First question: which of the following statements describe the challenge FizzBuzz? The answer for first question is third option. Multiples of 3 should print fizz, multiples of 5 should print buzz, and multiples of 3 and 5 should print FizzBuzz. So the third option is correct one. And the second question: random.randint of 1, 100 will generate a number dash. The answer for second question is option A. Between 1, 100 both inclusive. That means both 1 and 100 should also be included in that result. So option A. And third question: consider a string of 20 digits initialized with all zeros as a DNA sequence. In the context of lectures, updating a random zero as 1 implies. The answer for third question is option B. Evolution. Fourth question: which of the following method is correct to add an element at a specific position? The answer for fourth question is option 1, insert. Mark option A as correct answer for fourth question. Coming back to fifth one: what will be the output of the following program? So the answer for fifth question is option B, 0, 1, 2, 3. And moving on to sixth one: which of the following methods is correct to count the number of instances on an element in a list? The answer for sixth question is third option, that is count. So mark third option as correct answer for sixth question. And seventh question: in the FizzBuzz game, what will be the output if the number is 285? The answer for seventh question is option C, FizzBuzz. So mark option C as correct answer for seventh question. And moving on to eighth one: which of the following keywords is used to define a function in Python? The answer for eighth question is option D, def. And ninth question, the last but one question: which one of the following statements are true about crowdsourcing? The answers for this are two options are correct for this. The first one is second option, and the next one is third option. So both second and third options are correct. And the final question, the 10th one: which of the following commands is not correct in order to generate a graph? The answer for 10th question is option D, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So mark fourth option as correct one. So friends, this is the answers regarding the third assignment. So if you feel the video helpful for you, please like the video, subscribe our channel, click the bell icon for further updates, and share to your friends. So until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you. Bye. Keep supporting us till then. Thank you.